Hello students, welcome to Pedagogy Center. I am Akhil Ranjan, your math teacher. It is second lecture on polynomials. As we have completed first lecture on polynomials, in that lecture we have learned what is polynomials, what is the meaning of some basic terms that was used when we was going to define the terms polynomials, as well as we learned the standard form of polynomials. So, in this lecture, we will learn the next concepts of polynomials. Without wasting too much time, let me start the discussion on the next concepts of polynomials. Before starting the discussion on next concepts of polynomials, we should recall some basic terms. That is, what is equations? Any expression which having equal to sign is called an equations. As for examples, x plus 3 equal to 0 is an equation. Here x plus 3 is an expression and 0 is also an expression, and these two expression contains equal to sign, so this is an equations. You can take another example such as x plus 5 equal to y plus z. It is also an equation. Here x plus 5 is an expression and y plus z is also an expression, and these two expression contains equal to sign, so it is an equation. Now, a standard form of polynomials. If px equal to an into x to the power n plus an minus 1 into x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 into x to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a2 into x squared plus a1 into x plus a naught, where an does not equal to 0, then px is a polynomial of n degree in variable x. Which type of degree is this polynomials? N degree polynomials in variable. What is degree of polynomials? What is degree of polynomials? Highest exponents of variables in a polynomial is called degree of polynomials. As you already learned the definition of polynomials as any expression which should having many terms and the exponents of variable must be positive integers. So that type of expression is called polynomial expressions, and the highest exponents of variables in that expression is called degree of polynomials. Now let me take examples. If you have px equal to 2x plus 3, it is a standard form of polynomial. So the general form of it is px equal to 2 into x to the power 1 plus 3 into x to the power 0. Here x to the power 0 means 1, because any numbers or any variables which having exponent as 0, it gives value 1. So you can write 3 as 3 into x to the power 0. So the exponents of variables are 1 and 0, and the highest exponents of variable in this expression are 1. So it is 1 degree polynomials. If we let me take another expression. If you have an expression px equal to 3 into x to the power 2 plus 4 into x plus 1, it is a standard form of polynomials. So the general form of it is px equal to 3 into x to the power 2 plus 4 into x to the power 1 plus 1 into x to the power 0. Means x to the power 0 always gives value 1. So the exponents of variable in this expression are 2, 1 and 0. So the highest exponents of variable in this expression is 2. So it is 2 degree polynomials. You can take any examples of polynomials. You should see the highest exponents in that polynomials will be the degree of polynomials. Now we will learn the types of polynomials. Polynomials having many types, it is depending on many parameters such as based on variables, based on terms, as well as the based on degree. Based on variables, if you have an expression that having only one variables is called univariate expression. As for example, 3 into x to the power cube plus 5 is an expression and contains only variable x, so it is univariate expression. If an expression having two variables, that is called bivariate expression. As for example, 5x plus 6y plus 1, it contains two variables such as x and y, so it is bivariate expression. Now we will learn the types of polynomials. The types of polynomials is defined on many parameters such as based on variables, based on terms, as well as based on degree. Based on terms, any expression which contains only one variable is called univariate. As for example, 3x cube plus 5, it contains only one variable such as x, so it is univariate expressions. Any expression which contains two variables is called bivariates. As for examples, 5x plus 6y plus 1 is an expression and contains two variables x and y. So it is bivariate expressions. If any expression contains three types of variables, that is called trivariates. As for example, 7x squared plus 5y plus 8z plus 3. It is an expression and contains three variables such as x, y and z. So it is trivariates and so on. Now based on terms, any expression which having only one terms, that is called monomials. Any one term may be variables or constants, that is considered a monomial polynomials. Binomials, any polynomials which having two terms. As for examples, 3x plus 5 is a binomial expression because here two terms 3x plus 5, so it is binomial expression. If any polynomial expression that having three terms is called trinomials. As for example, 6x plus 7y plus 2, it contains three terms such as 6x is one term, 7y is second term and minus 2 is third term. So it is trinomials. If any expression contains four terms, that is called quadrinomials expression. As for example, 2x plus y minus 3z minus 1 is a quadrinomial polynomials because this expression contains 4 terms such as 2x, y, minus 3z and minus 1. So this expression is called quadrinomial polynomials. Now based on degree, as we have just learned the degree of polynomials, so you can easily understand the degree of polynomials, and now we will learn the name of polynomials depending on the degree of polynomials. So you see here any polynomials which having degree 1 is called linear expression. As for example 3x plus 5, here the exponents of variable is 1 and 0 and the highest exponents of variables in this expression is 1, so it is 1 degree polynomials and so it is linear expression. If any polynomials which is in 2 degree polynomials, that type of polynomials is called quadratic polynomials. As for example 2x square plus 4x is a quadratic polynomials because the exponents of variables in this expression are 2 and 0, so the highest exponents of variable in this expression is 2, so it is 2 degree polynomials and that is called quadratic polynomials. If any polynomial expression that having degree 3 is considered as cubic polynomials. If 4th degree, that is called biquadratic polynomials.